All right, 2024, 22nd of April. Market opened and sold into this liquidity, but I don't see ES. I mean, ES has done as well a little bit of push here. I'm not sure if we're gonna sell off now or not. Finally, I think we will. Been watching this going back and forward, trying not to take any stupid trades. So we left the opening price. I think we will. Yeah, ES is just. Don't know what ES is trying to do. NQ just took the liquidity on the 15 minutes. ES is coming back above opening price. Market very choppy. To really wait for resolution of this range to take anything. This is what ES is doing. So NQ kind of went into this liquidity and sold off a little bit. But ES hasn't done that yet. ES has got still space to go higher. So far, they're just basically grabbing 15 minutes, selling into 15 minutes. Okay, we do have liquid at 520, we have liquid at 540. So tick chart approaching zero line. Okay, we're breaking now. We're going to continue lower. Let's just a little. Yes, it's not synchronized with the IQ. $15 past. Let's wait. We are trading on the view up. See, I think we might go down. We did take that liquidity up here. There is liquidity to grab here. It's 30 points lower. Alright, let's try.
Order filled.
Ahead. No. Stop loss has to be above here. It's a chop. I chop you 20 times into pieces before it moves. Let's go. Cover one.
Order
Stop
canceled.
loss break even. I'm targeting this liquidity here now. The front running. To and through, right? I'm gonna wait for it through. All right, $286. 280. And it was a good decision not to wait for that to and through, because now we can add one more time. And now we're gonna go through. Perhaps. Let's go through now. Okay, let's grab it 70. Don't know how far it's gonna go, but we have it. We have through. That brings us to 350. Still going. Yes, it's got space to go lower as well. That's the level we took. Looks to me like we could continue lower. Yeah, they did sound. I'm not gonna chase this now, it's too late. Look at that. Another level of interest is this. I might even go down there. Let's see, if you get a little bit of push. ES just took a 15-minute candle. It's going down, but it's not doing it. They have not sold into that level. This is the problem. ES hasn't done that. While Nasdaq has done it. Alright, sold into this liquidity and boom, going down. Just like we were thinking about when we opened, but I was hoping for that ES would do exactly the same, but they have not managed to get there. Let's quickly have a look. 5025. Liquidity waiting on ES. That's 6 points from here. Higher. We have 5 more minutes on this period. It's period B. Lower. 17200. I mean, if we take that, it's a fair value gap between Friday and Monday. I'm gonna pause this video because I don't want to make these videos too long. Nobody wants to watch them. And we'll come back when something happens. Okay, so we are tapping into this fair value gap right now. ES as well. Approaching that level. I mean, not the same level. It's a little bit behind, a little bit higher. They might grab that liquidity. They have liquidity here as well. They took that. For Nasdaq, it's much easier to go lower because they already sold up here. But Nasdaq hasn't done it. That's the tricky part. ES hasn't done it. That's the tricky part because at any point, ES might just start to climb back up to sell again, and it will pull Nasdaq into the highs one more time. Okay, let's quickly have a look here. What do we see? Tesla down. Meta, okay, they pushed, they dropped. A closing internal gap on Amazon. Nvidia tried to go higher, dropping. Just switch this to half an hour. So we see a little bit more. There's this gap. That was the gap, but I've already left that gap. We're going towards this one now. Okay. What SPY is doing? Well, we have SPY here. QQQ. Yeah, we did close that gap on QQQ. There is another one here. Tapping into this fair value gap right now. $5.12, $5.10 on ES. $5.10 on the ES sell side. That's okay. That's 6 points here. Possibly from the running. So technically speaking, we're gonna have to wait for a push high first. Oh, just drop. It's too low to short for me. Don't want to short this at the bottom. Minus 2,700. That's just big number. That's a big number. Okay, ES is pushing. Well, so we have a period B closed. That's liquidity down here. Try to short this from this level somewhere here. For a push into a period low and below. Hoping for a little push through this 5-minute candle to take out shorts. $25 even. I'm looking 25. Be careful there. I don't want to catch this too low. There we go. 22, 23. Let's see if we're gonna get this 25 on the push through that 5-minute candle. $25. So why am I trying to get 23? One more try. Period has switched. Let's think about it. At the same time, we did sell into overnight. Yeah, let's not forget that we just sold into the overnight low. Yeah. And that means we could reverse. Especially that ES still has got that top untouched. They just grabbed everything here. So I'm actually thinking, let's watch this for a while. Okay, that's decent, 1000. That's decent. And yeah, let's watch. Try to maybe go with smaller position first.
Order submitted.
Somewhere here. Yeah. All right. Took one.
Order
all right, so I'm in. Stop loss is below. And gonna watch closely what ES is doing. They did grab a lot of liquidity. And that will be a nasty move if we decide to push into these highs. And that means that that means that ES would would do the same thing. All right, this is Friday low. I mean, this is like a Friday level, 15-minute candle on a Friday. This candle looks decent. 763. We have been 1,600, but yes, it's got this 15, and the 15 is possibly, yeah, we could get down to 15. Not sure about 10. I think they're gonna leave at 10 for later. Yeah, 10 is down here. 10 is here. They could, if they want to sell into this liquidity up here, they need to start to climb back up. That's pretty much. Yeah, that's a lot of liquidity when you look at this volume profile. They pretty much they have everything here. They don't need to go down there. So I'm starting to think that was overnight low liquidity grab. Asia low. We tapped into this fair value gap. And possibly we'll climb back up. One more time. Technically speaking, that's 100 points. And this whole price action of ES at the open was like they really tried to go high, high, high. They couldn't. They have not even sold into that. Look at this. That's the open, and they haven't managed to sell. They haven't managed to sell into that level. So we do have objective 1, 2, and 3 levels. Where we could go. So liquidity has been taken. They don't need to go right now to grab that. And it would look very bearish if we do. I mean, Nasdaq is crazy, so I don't even. And Nasdaq beautifully took Asia high. I mean, sorry, London high. And now we took Asia low. So everything is looking promising for on a long side. If we go lower, okay. What do we have on the calendar? Nothing. Nothing today. Just Monday. 0 news. Financial juice. Look at that. Tick chart is up, holding above 0 line. Tick chart is a 0 line. You can start to climb back up here. Very possible. So let's actually test right now because we did push through this. So we'll see if they're gonna get back and buy more. Or we just dump. Okay, tick chart is below 0 line now. but I would like to add if I see a good price. Okay, let's go. How far can we go? I don't know. Up there. That's a possible target for sure. Okay, 300. Sorry, 50, 30. He has just tagged view up. Just right now, tagged view up. Yeah. Two more minutes on this candle. What I would like to see is another push into view up. Next candle, hold it, break, and this is where the squeeze will start, somewhere here. Am I gonna get that? Going back to 15, is it? No, don't think so. I don't think so. Hmm. I think I overstayed my welcome there. Let's see the next candle. We're gonna get a push now into view up one more time. Okay, do a pullback. ES has got space to go to 25 one more time for sure. The question is, do I want to hold this if we get to view up, or I want to just take profit? And I'm starting to think maybe just take profit at the view up when ES hits the view up. If we get there, obviously. I'm actually thinking to add here like another 3. 46, okay, 46. I'm gonna chop around here for a while. It's a chopping action now. So I'm not gonna add. Yeah, we are basically fighting through this fair value gap now. It was here. Basically, we took that amount. I'll leave the rest here. Try one more time. I push towards VWAP. On yes. Probably at 11 o'clock. 10:50 the move can start. And we can deliver this a bit higher. Final dip now. Maybe here. 17. Alright. Let's see. I'm gonna add here. But I have to be very quick. This needs to climb back up. And if it doesn't, I'm out. I just put a stop loss break even really, you know, if it stops me, it stops me. Alright, stopped. It didn't do what I wanted to do. I'll try one more time. Well, now stop needs to be over. Alright. ES took 16 level. Let's see if they're gonna grab this now up. Okay, they will go and grab this liquidity. Let's give them a bit of space. We're gonna bounce off that for sure. Now is the moment. Are they going to buy it? Oh, continue lower. Oh, continue.
Order filled.
So unfortunately took a loss on this trade. We were nicely in profit, didn't take it. ES is dropping as well, approaching lower levels. Continue now. And Q is taking that. Probably gonna go and grab this now. $53 past. 505.
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of Financial Juice Pro for a year's worth of our service for the price of 1 month and save 92%.
Yeah. Could go down here. 55. I think we're just gonna push lower. Let's just try to grab that. Let's see. This cup might not work for me. Let's see, maybe it will. basically push into this sell side liquidity, which is just asking to be taken. No. We might go even lower. 150. Minutes. A final push to the bottom to grab that liquidity. Might even go here. Let's see what's gonna happen. One minute. Yeah. Might even do something else. We might even do that. Try to grab 5.
Order submitted.
Here. This needs to go higher. Oops, not buying it. Are you buying it? Just a trigger, sure it's ready. Yeah, no, I'm buying it for fuck's sake. Yeah, I think they are. Just go down and collect the stops. Here. You got stops down here. Holding. Okay, now. Yes, it's got a nice space to the downside. 5,000 even. Mm. Looks like we're gonna break to the downside. No. Flash to the downside. Flash to the downside. That would be nice. just bring this here. Yeah, yes, it's breaking now. Nasdaq should follow. Come on. Closer,
Order
because I see
filled.
Nasdaq. It's not doing what it's supposed to do. Yes, it's kind of bouncing back. Not gonna be shorting this here. Right. That's, I think. There's a difference. There's a difference between. Look at that. Between that level and that level. Here. 15 minutes, you see that? We didn't have that level here. So I don't know which one I should trust. Right, okay, let's see, because this could be a possible long once we reach this 500. 5005. It's a possible long. Alright. Let's just think. Alright, he has just grabbed the sell side liquidity. I'm thinking
Order
long.
filled.
They took sell side liquidity. Let's get a little bounce here. Maybe not even little. Like we are gonna get a decent push from now. I don't know what he is doing. Not doing much. back above 17,190, I guess. Even here, 226. That's Marcus' intention to go up there. Yeah, no. There you go. Hmm. No. I'm not happy with that.
Order filled.
Not happy with this thing. Still space to 505. 505. Let's just wait for this 505. Sorry. Dump it now.
Protect your trades from macro headline risk with Financial Juice Pro. Now only $99 a year for our real-time service.
I'm gonna
Order
go long,
filled.
let's see. Very quick scalp. Kind of push. Take it. We did take stop losses, so should get a little bounce here. No? ES is at 505. Hit the 505, right? Yeah, so should get a little push here. Should get something, you know. Should get something. Let's go.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm just gonna add here. Try to close into
Order
this
submitted.
level, and then we'll hold the rest. Just a little bit front onion here. Are you gonna push or not? Come on.
Order
I'm
filled.
too tired to keep being in profit and give it back. Too tired for doing this all day long. That's 315. It's alright. It looks like we're gonna pull a little bit lower. I'll try to get in lower. Yes, it's breaking low as well. Alright, let's just try one more time. A weakness. But we should get a push at least into this liquidity here. Stop loss needs to be below. There's no other way. Yeah. What is doing ES here? 12.15. Yeah. 12.15 possible target on ES. This should pull us to 190. Yeah, so let's just sell at 89 or 87. I might even add into that now.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Tick chart is at 0 line. Different. Let's say 5. So we'll sell 5 here.
At 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time, the US sells $70 billion in 3-month bills, prior high yield 5.25% and a prior bid cover
Try
of
to hold too.
2.95. And the US sells $70 billion in 6-month bills, prior high yield 5.155% and a prior bid cover of 2.79. We also
Let's go.
expect comments from ECB's Lagarde, who gives a lecture at Yale University, and ECB's Villeroy, who speaks at a conference in Paris on climate finance.
Order canceled.
Yeah, because it takes time.
Order canceled.
I don't want to risk on this. Just want to see. Quick resolution. To the upside, beautiful. Okay, we're holding this too. Push for 190. I'm gonna probably close. I'm gonna close one there. Just sell one.
Order submitted.
88, 90. Can you please give me that one?
Order filled.
All right. Let's hold the rest. The
At
last one.
11:30 a.m. Eastern Time, the US sells
See how
$70
far we're gonna
billion
go on this
in
one.
3-month bills, prior high yield 5.25% and a prior bid cover of 2.95. And the US sells $70 billion in 6-month bills,
Going
prior high
into
yield
the fair value gap on the 5
and a prior
minute.
bid cover of 2.79.
Gonna
We
take
also
that.
expect
Order
comments
filled.
from ECB's Lagarde, who gives a lecture at Yale University,
I'll get
and
5 more
ECB's
minutes.
Villeroy, who speaks at a conference in Paris on climate finance.
Okay, looks like wants to hold. That's the pattern. I was too early, and I mean I was okay on this one. Should have taken profit here. That's the second leg down. Now most likely we will slowly start to climb. But what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna scalp. But we are $452 up. So I'll try to scalp a little bit. Let me see what ES is doing. All right. Okay, I can see the tick chart is basically way below zero right now. And that means it will be That means that we might get down again. But I don't like the number. It's too bullish. Yeah, we'll continue higher. Okay. Tick chart is still below zero. It's the fair value gap we've been talking about. Maybe he has come back to 509 to grab that liquidity, and then we're gonna go higher. So if we look at 15 minutes, maybe even target is here for sure. It's typical behavior. Okay.
Shortly expecting the results of the 3- and 6-month bill auctions, as well as comments from ECB's Lagarde and Villeroy.
2000, nice. $180 maybe to get in. It's just going. We had some stop losses popping there. Trapped longs are getting out.
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news?
The market
for
wants to go
non-farm
higher.
payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of Financial Juice
Let me
Pro
get a good
for a
price
year's
somewhere
worth
here.
of our service for the price of 1 month and save 92%.
And this is fair value
Order
gap. We have
submitted.
a fair value gap here. I'm gonna get it. Oh, look at that. They're not waiting. They are not waiting for anything. Test of viewer possible on yes. Right, that was a push.
Order
Period C
canceled.
push. So we did sell into that C period. It's 11:30. So I'm expecting a little bit of pullback. But we'll see if we get it. Oh, they're just gonna continue it. There's no liquidity to pull into it, to be honest. Just liquidity, but yeah, well, now is the place where we can just continue higher, really. From what I see.
Order
I'm gonna go
filled.
long, see if we can squeeze into this 39.
3-month high yield, 5.255%, 5.255%. Bid to cover ratio, 2.78, 2.78. The US sells $74 billion in 3-month bills and awards
Order filled.
15.4% of bids at high. And
No,
the
no,
6-month
no.
high yield,
A little bit off.
5.16%,
Resistance at 20.
5.16%. Bid to cover ratio, 2.8.
They might pull it
2.8.
to 200.
The US sells $74 billion in 6-month bills and awards 45.65% of bids at high.
Tick chart pulling lower.
So noting there is a text release from Lagarde,
Don't know
the
where.
contents do not appear to have anything regarding monetary policy or financial situations in the Eurozone.
So wait for pullback. They should sell it into that high. Into this level here. But we might get a pullback first. Still holding. Alright,
Order
let's go.
filled.
It wants to go. It wants to go. Oh, we're gonna take this 20 now. Hmm. Mm-mm. How about now? There we go. Now's the time to push, my friend. Let's go. Squeeze this short into that 40 level.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
take some. Just wanted to take some, but I took everything. Yes, we'll try to get the view up again. Then we might break the view up this time. And go higher. Let's not forget that ES has not sold into the overnight high. Oh, look at it, just pushing into this. Well, 518. We are at the view up right now. I mean, ES is at the view up. I will try to push one more time, I think. Okay. We have space to view up on NQ, which is 245. The question is, are we going to push through it and continue immediately? There we go. That's a view up. Stops are popping. Kind of risky shot right now if you wanna do it. But I don't wanna do it. Should have stayed in my long position. So 1 and 2. Boom. Because I stayed in here, I couldn't stay in here. I took a loss on this one. This is what happens. Psychology, guys. Still struggling with it. Okay. Looks like we are pulling back now.
Order
Let me
submitted.
just quickly try. No,
Order
too
canceled.
late. It's gonna go. Let's wait for a bounce. You have a look on ES. Okay, so ES has got this liquidity up here waiting. And they could push, no? That's at some point into it. Attack view up one more time, basically. It's 1 5-minute candle. It's 2000 on it. Let's wait and see. 45 past. If you could go down here, maybe even here, that would be alright. Let's try it.
Order
Let's
submitted.
try along here. I'll dig around that. And we might push one more time higher. It's 17,200. Well, they did sell into that. I'm just looking at picture and I see the picture is kind of, you know, it's pulling above zero line. It's not holding lower.
Order
That
canceled.
doesn't mean much. Don't see liquidity. I think the market wants to continue lower. 46. Let's just wait a little bit longer. Yeah. It's just, well, I'm just gonna stop this video and resume it when something happens. I'm thinking push the view up one more time on ES. $49 past 11. Maybe grab that liquidity. Grab this first. Dip into this fair value gap. And then launch another assault on view up. Continue higher. But this is lunchtime. We are approaching lunchtime now. And I'm not sure they're gonna do that now. It was a nice ride. They sold into that liquidity. The thing is that ES hasn't done that yet. So 50, 11:50 till 12:10 delivery. Let's
Order
just try.
filled.
Let's try. Let's see. We're gonna get it. Not the best entries on trading momentum. Let's see if he is gonna squeeze into that view up now. And then Q as well. We will do this like that this time. Take
Order
2.
filled.
Stop loss break even, just in case. Yes, approaching view up. At view up, I'm gonna take another 2.
Order filled.
Took another. I'm holding 1 now. For a squeeze through view up, and possibly go to 50s. Yeah, I want to see this squeeze through view up. I've seen it a couple of times. Well, there was one on Friday. There was one on Thursday as well. Pretty much the same price action. It was a bit different time. It was later in the day. But okay. It's just one MEM. Oh, okay. ES is squeezing, going to view up. Let's see if we're gonna, yeah, we are taking view up on ES. Let's close above. Good. Got 6 more minutes on this candle. Sorry, on this period. How about we just squeeze? 250, it's possible. Even 260. Yes. Backed off to view up. He has sold into the 15-minute candle. That's why we are stopping the move. But let's see if they're going to continue. Yes, they do. Tick chart is bullish, above 0. It's at 50, 20, 23. Tempted to add now, honestly. But it's a bit too high. If I want to add, I can add only 1. It's a bit too late. I'm gonna take
Order
that.
filled.
609. I don't believe in continuation at this time. It's 5 minutes till 12 o'clock. Market dropped. They took the liquidity. We had a decent move. That's a 100 points move on NQ. They did sell into this liquidity. We pulled back. We grabbed that 1, 2, 10 minutes liquidity. A bit more. And we sold again. We might continue, obviously, but because it's lunch, I don't trade during the lunch. I mean, I can trade, but it's gonna be just literally, it's gonna be just little scalps. So I don't trust the momentum. There's no momentum during the lunch, very rarely. So let's have a look. This is the ES. I was waiting for push through view up. We got that push through view up. Now we're approaching this fair value gap on 15 minutes, and we are approaching, trapped longs who will be getting out. So technically speaking, that could be even short. Some kind of short of that level. Yeah. But we might not even get there. Okay, guys, I think I will stop here, and I'm done for the day. And it looks like we are closing the $609 in profit. It could have been a little bit higher, like $200 higher here if we took that first leg. Just don't treat that leg seriously, to be honest. I don't know why I kept holding it. If I took that money here and then waited for the push lower, I could have kept this one longer. That's a psychology thing. Once you take, you got break even. I think I took a loss here even. I did a little bit of shorting into this level. And basically, once I was in profit, I started to take money because I didn't trust those moves. And yeah, but from hindsight, you have to. Second leg down, this kind of, the timing is okay as well. It's 4:20. That's 11:20 New York time. That's a good place to start to think about longs. At the same time, we did grab this liquid overnight. We grabbed a little bit of liquidity here and there. It's pretty decent, liquidity. I'm not saying we're not going to go lower today. We can still go lower. Afternoon. Or we can just chop around here in this area. Well, thanks for watching. This is Trap Trader from London. Take care, guys. Look at that push. Now it's happening. Don't jump on that thing, because most likely it's gonna push and then drop immediately to the downside. Once they take this liquidity, don't believe we're gonna get up there in one. Look at that. They just want to take this liquidity. Wait a second. That looks very promising. That looks very, very promising. Now, and we had full hour. It was just a push into full hour. And to be honest, look what ES did. Have they grabbed that liquidity?
The Venezuela state oil company plans to increase use of digital currency USDT as US sanctions are set to return, according to sources.
They just matched it to the tick. And I think we'll get back to view up on ES. One more push. Could be a nasty surprise for longs here. I'm really tempted to, but I don't want to short into this view up. But I know I should be short. It's just I'm too late. Basically, once you see the pop of this stops, you just need to get short. That's a beautiful move, you know. They retraced. Let's just measure this as well. Fibonacci retracement. Look at that. 62. Well, you know, 70 is like perfect entry. Do we have anything that will indicate? Yeah, we do have some fair value gap here. A lot of trap people. We do have a session open price. It's possible. Are we gonna? We're gonna squeeze into that level. 277, 280. Do I see anything there? Nothing so far. But this can change. Liquidity can come at any point, at any time. Nice push into 15 minutes, 15 minutes sold, trap longs. Perfect, perfect short of this level. Scalp, I'm talking about scalp, but you know. We can see absorption, this yellow lines, absorption on the sell side. So it does look, I mean, yeah, the perfect situation if we climb back up here one more time. Oh, well, what happened with the liquidity? It's gone. It's gone. And now we can squeeze higher. What happened with liquidity? Liquidity is gone. Something is happening right now. There will be a news. Let's quickly have a look. No news. Interesting. No liquidity here. They withdraw the liquidity. Look at ES how empty it is right now. And Q has got more liquidity than ES. Wow. So we could get like a nasty push into the highs, especially on ES. And I can show you that they've done that in the past. Look at that. I'll show you what they happen. See this? Push overview up, drop, whoop. You had this on Friday. And you had the same story. Look at that. Well, not exactly the same story, but close. Similar. Oh, here it is. Wednesday, look at that. Boom. Push into this trap longs and then dump it. So here's one. Here is the second one. Same behavior. What time was that? Okay, it was 1:45, so a bit later. This one was at 12:30. 2 o'clock. And today, it might happen again. Final squeeze. It looks a little bit different. This candle should have closed below. a fact that we are actually pushing higher, it means that we might go up there and sell into this liquidity up here. This can happen. Is it gonna happen now? I don't know. Just get this thing going. We can just chop around and do this. At the end of the day, who knows? Market is trying to go higher. Alright guys, I'm done. Thanks for watching. Take care and be safe out there.